My channel, guys. In this video I just want to show you how you can use DETTOL and get rid of pimples and have a clear skin. This is Charlotte and this is my workshop. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can use DETTOL antiseptic liquid and get rid of pimples. So guys, as you saw, you can have that glass glowing skin. So guys, first of all, what you have to do before using DETTOL, you have to have wipes. You have to clean up your face and make sure that your face is completely clean. So I use my wipes here. Yeah, I use this kind of wipes to make sure that my face is clean before using DETTOL. And how do I use DETTOL? To have a clear skin. I want to show you how do I use DETTOL. Sorry for that. How I use DETTOL and I have a clear skin. So guys, I'm going to be getting this barrel. Yeah, I'm going to be getting this barrel. I'm going to be adding in water like this. Putting it here. I'm going to be adding in my DETTOL, but I'm going to be adding in just one bottle cover. Ooh, another mess too. So once you add DETTOL, it's going to look like this. It's going to turn into a milk foam. So you're going to be applying it only where you have the infected area, and please leave it on your skin for 15 minutes. After that, wash it off. Don't leave DETTOL for so long on your skin. Don't keep DETTOL for a long period on your skin. After keeping it, applying it all over there, then remove it. Wash it off. As I'm going to show you how I'm going to be washing it off. After wash it off, you can apply anything after. You understand? Wash it off on your skin and you're going to be having a clear skin, glowing skin like mine. Okay guys, love you all and can't wait to see you in the next video.